Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video, we're going to be having a little chat. And I have a question for you, so I want you to come a little closer. Bring your planner while you're at it. You ready? Okay. Here's my question. Is planning overwhelming, or do you lack discipline? Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Okay, ready? Is planning overwhelming, or do you lack discipline? Let me give you guys a little bit of a backstory on what led me to bringing this up to you guys, so we can continue the conversation down in the comment section, of course. So my birthday is just shy of 2 weeks away. And throughout this whole pandemic and being quarantined and being home, not working, I've had a lot of time to take a closer look at myself. I've had a lot of time to work on projects that I've been wanting to do that I always said I didn't have the time to do. So, especially this summer, I was able to de-stash a lot of stuff thanks to you guys, and I bought a Cricut. And I bought a Cricut for a number of reasons. I've been wanting one for a while, and also I wanted to make things that I saw in the stores that I knew that I could make myself, which I have been doing. So between shirts and cups and all that, I have been able to do that with my Cricut. And there's so much more to come that I'm excited to share with you guys when it comes to that, but stay tuned. We'll get back to that. So I have invested a lot into what it is that I want to do in turning a hobby into a business. But I also had to stop and look and think. I am a procrastinator, and procrastination leads to laziness. And this is a toxic trait that I have of starting things and not finishing it. I can say that I have like squirrel brain, or I don't want to finish this because it may be too difficult, or, oh, what if I stop doing this and jump on this? That is not a good way to conduct business, but it's also not good to get things done in general. It's not gonna work for me. So in realizing, I actually had someone call me out on it. It's okay. What are friends for if they can't call you out on your BS, you know? Because I would do the same thing. So I had to take a closer look at myself and realize that a part of the reason of why I am not as productive as I would like to be is because I am a procrastinator. And in being a procrastinator, I just jump around and do things, and the things that I am doing, I could do them even better if I would just do it initially, and not wait until the last minute to get it done. Now, technical difficulties can come up in the process. That's normal. But when you give yourself enough lead time, those technical difficulties, you're easier to bounce back from because you're not just trying to throw things together at the last minute. So in doing different projects and everything else that I have going on, I realized that for me to take things to the next level, I have to cut the bullshit that I have of procrastinating, being completely honest and transparent with you guys, and really break down what it is that I need to do. So for instance, if I have videos that I want to film, I need to take a day to film them, map it out, plan it out. Same thing with social media. I feel like when you're in this realm of being a creative, that it may come off as even more difficult when you don't have a game plan. And that is where the planning comes in. You can sit here and write a list until your heart is content. But I even posted this on my Instagram. Don't plan just to plan. Be ready to take action. That is why planners are such a great tool, because this is where you really get the things done. You really can tackle things when you are making a game plan. Some people can do it all up here. I'm not one of those people. Some people can do it digitally. I'm not one of those people. I have notebooks galore that I make lists, and I feel like I also planner hop from time to time, not just because I want my planner to spark and bring me joy, but because I want to try something new, and I'm hoping that in changing a notebook that it's going to do something. That's not the case. I have to be ready to have that discipline to actually do it. So procrastination is one thing, and to overcome the procrastination, I need to take accountability for my actions and learn to be more disciplined. The only person that's holding me back is me. The only person that's not getting what's done on my list is me. That's the only thing. There's a lot of times that, things come up. Yes, life is life. Everything that you have on that to-do list is not going to get done in a day, obviously. But when you have a to-do list that you write on Monday, and then you look at Friday and that same list is there, and you have things that you're getting done that were not necessarily on that list because it wasn't a priority, y'all, it's like we have to take a closer look at ourselves. And this is what I mean by crushing the chaos. It's what can you do differently to really maximize the time that you have and to really be productive? And with procrastination, I always say, I'll do it the next day. I can do it the next day. Like, if I just sit here and watch this video on TikTok, or if I just sit here and watch this YouTube video or watch this movie or whatever, I could do this. I can just do this later. But I'm cheating myself. That video or whatever else I'm watching, I'm doing it to pass the time, but it's not bringing anything to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not building and giving me anything. So why can't I get done what I need to get done and then save that extra stuff for later? My priorities are shifted. My priorities on things that are not as of relevance to my life versus those things that are taking the priority. So I need to change that and get things done, and then the other stuff can just wait and get done later. So I want you guys to take a closer look at your planning system and really think, is it a planner problem or is it a you problem? I'm not attacking you. I'm just letting y'all know what I discovered about myself. And I realized that I'm not using my planner to its full potential because to some extent it's like, girl, you don't even know what you're doing with your life to even be, trying to do this. And sometimes we think so big and we want to do things so big. We got to break it down, bring it back down. So that big list that you have, take that list and slice it. Highlight the most important things, the things that are really of priority, the things that are necessary to get done now. Then take that list that you highlighted and cut it down again of what you need to get done immediately. So in doing that, I know it sounds easier said than done, but really, I think we hide behind our planners and think that we're always getting things done when we're not. That's what I discovered. And I'm having this realization now that I can have all these planners in the world, but unless I am taking action to get it done, unless I am having that discipline, to all of you that have it all together, sis, I commend you. Because I don't. I commend you though. And I would love to get to that level. That is what I'm striving towards. So as my birthday's coming up, I had set a countdown, of course, to my birthday, celebrate, hey, but also to continue to push myself of when I don't want to do something, to push myself to do it. When I feel like I just need to quit because this isn't just working, to continue to push myself. I need to do something every day to be better on my craft. Because that's the only way that it's going to happen. That's the only way that I can give the best of me is when I am working on me continuously and acknowledging that toxicity that I've been just bringing along and dragging along with me all these years. I used to take pride in being a procrastinator. It would be clutch for me to get something done last minute. That was back in high school. This is not high school no more. This is not just an assignment to turn into a teacher that is not really going to have any importance down the line. At the end of the day, it's not. That was 11 years ago that I graduated from high school. that behavior just has to stop. This constant cycle, it just has to stop. So I ask you again, is your planner overwhelming? Are you hiding behind your planner? Or is it that you lack discipline? Let me know down in the comments, y'all, because your girl here, I've been able to realize a lot of things about myself. So let's continue this chat down in the comment section. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for more information on related videos. Links to all the things that I talk about in my previous videos. If you guys want to learn more about this planner right here, this is a Michael's planner. I'll have information on that in the description box as well. And of course, the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.